Guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Today I wanted to switch it up a bit. I decided to go ahead and um give my neighbor a makeover today, like a complete makeover, not just makeup but also hair. And so I was really excited to do this, first of all because I've never seen her in like processed hair, and I really wanted to see what she'd look like in one of my wigs. So as you can see, I went ahead and I braided her hair up, and they weren't the most perfect braids. Ain't nobody seeing them, they're gonna be underneath. So I applied one of my RPG hair wigs and I'll link it down below so you guys know which one I'm talking about. If you're interested in getting it, the link will be down there. So I paused on the hair after I applied it and moved on to makeup. And so when I thought about this makeover, I thought about Hollywood glam. I thought about keeping it neutral and glowy and radiant, like that's what I kept in the back of my head throughout this whole process of just glamming her up. So this was so much fun for me. I it was just so much fun. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and I did her brows. Her brows are so easy to work with because they're always so nicely groomed, and it just makes life way easier. I then moved on to applying some foundation to her, and I used Black Radiance. I don't remember the shade, so I'll list it in the description box. But yeah, and it was just so easy. Like, I really do like the Black Radiance foundations. Easy to blend, comes off like skin, really nice, really easy to work with. So I just made sure everything was well blended here, and then I did a bit of highlighting. You always want to highlight the areas you want to bring forward, so the under eye, the nose bridge, the center of the forehead, cupid's bow and chin. Yeah, especially if you have like dark areas that you would really like to lighten up and such. And then I went in with some cream contouring, and this just helped to make the cheekbones pop some more, slim down the nose and stuff like that. And then I just proceeded to blending everything out after applying them in the areas that I wanted. So I was just blending away, making sure that there are no harsh lines. Then I moved on to setting the highlighted areas with some banana powder, and this just helps with minimizing creases and making sure that everything stays put. All the liquids or creams that were applied before doesn't run or slip or anything like that. Then I moved on to applying some powder beneath your eyes because I moved on to eyeshadow, and I took the Crown palette today, and these are the two shadows I'm working with, and I wanted to make sure that the fallouts didn't mess up the makeup that was applied previously. So I went in with the brown as a transition, and then that champagne like color on the lid, and then I moved on to liner, just to give the eyes some pop and sultriness, yeah. After doing this step, I also lined her lower waterline, and I smoked out the lower lash line a bit with some of that shade I used for the transition, and I moved on to applying lashes. Lashes make everything pop more. That's how I feel. I don't know, but yeah. So I went ahead, dusted away the powder, and sprayed her face, and pat that into the skin so everything came off more dewy and luminous. And then I illuminated some with my MAC Gold Deposit. And now it's for the final portion, and that's lips. And I just took some gloss. I lined it previously. I didn't get that, but I lined it with a brown liner, and I topped it off with some gloss, clear gloss, to just make things very subtle and nice and neutral. Yeah, and as you can see, I unraveled the hair, guys. When I saw the hair, man, I loved it. It was like, listen, I love this transformation. I've never seen her with this type of hairstyle before. So listen, everybody in the house was going crazy. like crazy. Okay, even her, she was amazed because it's the first time she's seeing herself with this type of hairstyle. This was so much fun for me, and I'm happy that she loved it, everyone loved it, I loved it. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments section below and give this video a thumb up if you liked it as well. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. But guys, yeah, this is it for this transformation video today. Yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video. All right.